How to replace the dogging mechanism on a Kawneer 1786. First, you have to remove the device from the door. Your head case cover and your end cap will come off. Then you'll have access to the screws that hold the device on at either end. Bring those off. Remove this end cap with these two screws. Remove this end cap with these two screws. At this point, you need to remove the latching assembly that's here. There's a single screw that holds it on. Remove that screw, pull the latching assembly out, and then we're off to the next step. Okay, you have the latching assembly off. Now what you need to do is slide the touchpad away from the latching side until it stops. Inside of here, you're going to see 4 black screws at the tip of my fingers. Remove those 4 black screws and this entire spring-loaded aluminum section. Now, once you have those 4 screws removed, okay, you're going to have your spring-loaded axle assembly, your lifter assembly. You're going to have your axle pin. You're going to have the 4 screws that I told you to take out. You're going to have the 2 mounting brackets, and then you're going to have 2 wheels and 2 washers that will come off as well. At this point, all you need to do is take that device, and you need to just simply slide it towards the hinge side all the way out. Just slide it, and then voila, there is your dogging assembly. Remove those 4 screws, replace, put it back together in reverse fashion.